So today we start the Red Bank project. We'll have all the information packets here. Everything's in here. And it's well over 100 years old, and it's just been granted landmark status. Outside are leaky cobblestone pavements, rusty gas pipes.
Antique street lamps.
In other words, we just can't unload a backhoe and start digging.
The president, Arthur Wright, is taking over an old executive suite, one flight up.
Give it to me in one word.
Marketing and engineering are here, a field tech, the project manager.
This better not be a presentation.
And he wants everything. ISDN, Watts, digital data services, bulk transmission capability.
It's just what you asked for, a regular project meeting.
Well, I want the real thing, John. Slideshows and free lunches used to impress me.
And the old tenant refurbished. So all the old conduit is buried under marble floors and imported paneling.
Well, is there anything here that isn't a problem?
You could just hide the wires behind the baseboard. All you have to do is bend a few nails.
Oh, sure. Why don't we just drop the cable from the ceiling and staple it to the phone?
Everyone, I'd like you to meet Arthur Wright, president of Wright Development.
We use our own building wiring system, Systemax PDS. It's open architecture and supports everything.
Voice, data, image, and it will integrate the new stuff, developing technologies. With copper wire and fiber optics, you can expand, rearrange, or upgrade.
Customer support covers all areas, now and in the future.
And what if I want the package delivered yesterday?
Then that's what you'll get. I've got 200 people making me promises, so I can do the same for you.
You're right, Jack. This will never work.
Who said that?
You did.
Arthur, never mind what I said. Now, listen to what I'm saying. We did this 300-year-old bank in London, or like the Tokyo project.
This really could have backfired.
Just make sure I get the right cable on time.
I'm waiting for the specs. I've been waiting for them.
You think so?
I've got them. In fact, let's look them over right now.
I guess not.
Well, Arthur, we'll stay in touch.
Outside, it will look exactly the same. But inside, 2001.
This building will probably end up smarter than we are.
So, what do you think?
Best free lunch I ever had.